mucho lana, muchas damas, mucho hater. Porque estamos arriba, estamos arriba, estamos arriba. Ey, ey, la envidia no nos derriba, loco.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another episode of Midnight Garage. Today's episode we're gonna be working another Overlander. As you can see on my back, we have Toyota 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. We have a bunch of mods on this thing. Like I told you, we will be doing 4Runner episode soon. So here it is. So let me show you guys. Oh, this is the car. So it was purchased recently, about a month. It had a couple of stuff already, which is the front bumper. We're gonna keep that. I think it already has the lowering, lift springs. So basically, you replace spring and it lifts it up, and then half roof rack, which is we're gonna get rid of that. Other than that, pretty cool looking 4Runner. And here's all the parts we're gonna be installing today. So a lot. So let's work through it. So we have aftermarket headlights, nice looking with the LED in there. It looks like Acura Lexus headlights. And then we have a bunch of Rago fabrication, second battery tray, air compressor mount, and then all the stuff. We have a completely oil change with the filters change. And then we got LED bar right here on the roof, and then we have a Prince-through roof rack, and then we have a Rome Adventure awning we have in there, pretty big one, bigger than the Lexus one. And then we have handles for the roof rack with the LEDs in there already. Road truck utility rock lights. So we have a Overland winch from Harbor Freight, and then we have a wireless winch remote, and then also we have for the car. Then we have all the wirings here. Then we have more LEDs, the ditch lights, and then so basically, and then of course we have the remote we're gonna be running in the car. Other than that, this is for it for now. It's a lot of work. So first things first, we're gonna be working on the front. So we're gonna be installing the headlight and the winch, and then also we have Raptor lights right here. I installed it, but it's not plugged in, so we're gonna working on that too. So first things first, we're gonna be working on the front. So I have to remove the bumper so we can install the winch and then the headlights, and then so basically first I have to install everything and then run the wires, because I have a lot of LEDs. So I have one on the bumper, I have one on the roof, and then I have each side, two on each side, and then I have two in the back, and then I have one on the bottom of each side on the bottom of a car. So we have a lot. Oh yeah, and also I forgot we have a roof tent, Smithy built. We have that. I didn't open it yet, so this is the last thing we're gonna do. So yeah, let's get to work. Update, I've removed the bumper, the bumper cover, the metal bumper, and it's right here. Took me a while. The bumper already had holes for the winch, but they were too big and too far. My winch is too small, so I made new holes. I made my own holes. It's good now. So now the winch installed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install all the wirings there. I'm gonna put everything inside this bumper. So, a little update. As you can see, installed the second battery tray, and then I installed the winch on the bumper. Looks good. Here's the winch. Here's the relay. This is the circuit breaker. This is the relay. This is the wireless remote, and then I have a positive and negative, and then here's the for the interior of the car. This is basically remote goes to inside the car, and this is goes to fuse box switch panel, and pretty much that's it. Now the hardest part is install this back. This is really heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do that, so wish me luck. Okay, finally we installed the front bumper. Pain in the butt, really heavy, but nice and good. Installed the winch. It's not the perfect one looking, but does the job. Everything is nice, steady. I'll probably have to do something with this wireless remote. I just put somewhere that it's easy accessible. I'll probably move that somewhere right here on the bottom, so just in case if it doesn't work, you can have the wired one and you can access it from the bottom. Here's the circuit breaker for the winch. I put it in there, and then the ground goes there, and the positive goes, here's the positive. I will have to do some management. And here's our basically access panel for everything. So basically this is for my LED management. So basically it's gonna sit right here. Basically right here, all the wires gonna come from the bottom and then connect all this. It's gonna have its own fuses, so I don't have to do bajillion wires. And here's the positive, here's the negative. And then also I purchased this thing from Amazon. So basically it's gonna sit right here. I'm gonna have one cable from a battery positive is gonna connect here, so whenever I need a positive I just can tap it in here. So I will have 3 more. So this one's gonna come from a battery, and then this one's gonna connect to the winch. This one's gonna connect my LED management, and then this one's gonna be spare just in case if I need anything. So and then it has its own cover like that, so basically it's gonna sit like that, so nice and clean, so I don't have a bajillion wires. And then here's my circuit breaker for the wire management, I mean LED, and then probably I'm gonna put it here on the bottom right here, so it's gonna be away, so I don't have a lot of things. And then here's our battery, second battery tray. I don't have a battery yet, so basically this battery is gonna be for my solar panel, and then I can mount stuff there, so nice and sturdy. And then I have one more panel, it's gonna go up there for my air compressor, but I don't need it right now, so I'm leaving out. So basically that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this. We'll have to first, I have to mount this, and then I have to mount this, and then run the big wires, for example from positive from battery to here, and then I'm gonna connect the winch. And then once I'm finished with this, I'll start working on installing the front bumper. I mean the headlights and then front bumper. So yeah, let me guys put you guys on. Let's get to work. headlights. They're permanent. I was just checking the wiring. Basically plug it in, but they gave me a bunch of extra the wires. There's a positive, negative, and fuse. I don't know why we need this, because I did not connect it. Everything worked. Maybe this is for older models. I am not sure. So let's get the key. Let's have a lock. Works. Unlock also works. So now let's turn it on. Our headlights. Boom. And our emergency. Let's see. Headlight works. Emergency works. Let's see the high beam. Let's see, high beam. High beam works too. So I'm guessing that was the issue. So let's turn it off. So the headlight, pretty much that's it. I will leave the protective film on top. It's not film, it's just they put a plastic on the top of it. Knowing me, I will scratch it. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm still trying to wire management all of this. I installed the ditch lights. Here you go. Good. So now I'm gonna start working on the roof rack with all the LEDs, because I have to do all of that. So I'm gonna do wire management here. I'll try my best, and then start working on the roof.